Back again to my recipe channel, Esika's Kitchen, and thank you for being here today. To my returning supporters, subscribers, thank you so much for your support so far. My premier gang, I really appreciate the love. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And so let's get in today's video. This is a whole chicken broiler, and so on today's video I'm going to share an amazing recipe that I tried and it turned out delicious and crunchy. I have with me this whole chicken. I said earlier it's a broiler, not a Kenyan one, and I'll cut it into half, and the other pieces or the other piece I'll cut it into pieces. Of course, I will show you the whole process. Talking of the pieces, I'm definitely talking about the breast, the drumstick, and the wings. In this case, I don't have the legs. Yeah, so those are the pieces that I will be cutting. And for the seasonings, it calls for salt and garlic only. You can add more spices and seasoning to taste. Mind the shape, guys. Bado ni baridi. Some of the parts are still icy. It still contains ice inside as well. Itanibidi turn it off to magic. I'll use to dip my hands inside when I'll be doing the cuttings. Now I'm done cutting my half chicken, and these are the pieces that I came out with so far. Yeah, and I'm washing them before placing them to boil. meanwhile, this other half I'm going to wrap it well using my Velvex cling film and take it back to the freezer. I will prepare it another day. And so I'll go ahead and pour the oil in my sufuria and bring it to high heat. And just remember guys, frying food or fried foods are always high in fats, but don't overeat these. Of course, it can lead to increase in number of health problems. And now I will go ahead and brown the chicken on both sides and allow it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Some of us love it when we fry our chicken until extra crispy bites, but just crispy is okay. Yeah. And it's done, guys. From that point, y'all can see the perfect color that is coming out from our fried chicken. And after that, drain the chicken on a paper bag, on your paper towel, sorry, or your serviette. By doing this, of course, it helps to remove the excess oil that is present on your food. And that is it, guys. Of course, I appreciate the love, I appreciate the support so far. I hope you're going to try out this recipe. It's an amazing recipe, a simple recipe that you can't miss to prepare at your home with these simple ingredients that I shared with you today. And till next time, guys, thank you once again for visiting my channel on this video. See you on my next video.